Thank you for watching this video. We are excited to show capabilities of Prime MDM, a next-generation customer MDM solution powered by artificial intelligence and machine learning. Prime MDM enables organizations to harness vast data from multiple sources for business growth, better customer experience, instant and correct customer due diligence, minimizing credit risk, better compliance, and reducing fraud, etc. Prime MDM platform delivers real-time and accurate contextual customer insights for multiple business requirements at all customer lifecycle stages, prospecting, lead generation, onboarding, and segmentation. Prime MDM is a cross-vertical and is relevant for banking, financial services, insurance, retail, governments, telecom, depositories, hospitality, healthcare, and others. Our unique proposition is to instantly identify and unify all records of an entity across different data sources based on demographic data attributes or elements, considering all possible variations across different data points with the highest accuracy and least false positives, all in real time. Experience our secure and accurate AI/ML model with a proprietary entity resolution algorithm for fuzzy search on demographic data that is trained on 5 billion records. The first step to customer MDM is data ingestion for day zero processing. Prime MDM has a comprehensive metadata model. Once uploaded, the system automatically maps data headers to the corresponding metadata model. The metadata model has evolved over 2 decades based on the knowledge of processing more than 5 billion customer records across different industries and thus accommodates most data sources with least customization. Additionally, manual mapping is also available for greater flexibility. Once the file is ingested, the basic profiling is done, validating each parameter for cardinality and completeness. This step ensures that the data is structured, consistent, and ready for further processing. Introducing our flexible and versatile rule engine, empowering organizations to take full control of their data processing and design flexible matching profiles effortlessly using a variety of data elements. Combine data elements seamlessly with AND or OR clauses for highest precision and recall. Each element is independently configurable, allowing you to adjust levels and thresholds to perfectly align with your needs. Grade matches with ease and customize them to fit your organization's unique requirements, the results of which are managed by a data steward. Experience unparalleled adaptability and control, revolutionizing the way you make data-driven decisions. Once ingested, based on the best rule set and the data, application initiates the deduplication process to accurately identify and unify all records of an entity across multiple data sources. Application ensures correct matching and linkages with high accuracy and least false positives by considering all possible variations in all the data elements. The matches are of 2 types: system-determined matches, which are accurate and go for straight-through processing, and referral matches that go to data stewards for manual decisioning. A unique ID is generated for every consolidated entity, ensuring a single, authoritative record across all the sources. Here's a quick look at the data steward functionalities for verification of clusters. The clusters can be validated by users through a maker-checker workflow. Application also supports merging and demerging of the clusters to fine-tune results. The screens are intuitively designed in such a way that there is minimal manual effort. An advanced decisioning application is also available, which enhances the process by incorporating additional information such as photos and signatures integrated with relevant AI models. Golden Record, also known as the single source of truth, authoritative unified and accurate representation of an entity across different lines of business, picking the best of each data element from different sources. Golden Record is governed by survivorship rules where each parameter can be configured separately by the users, whether as a single value or multi-value, or by prioritizing a specific source. It can be generated both in real time and in batch mode, ensuring flexibility in data management based on business needs. The rules that shape the Golden Record allow complete traceability and auditability. The solution is designed to be used by various persons and roles through API or real-time query. Here, a query user is querying a vast database to find meaningful matches using different data for customer due diligence, positive and negative, identity validation, etc. Our AI/ML based advanced entity resolution algorithm handles all the variations in the data elements like spelling differences, sequence variation, abbreviations, concatenation, missing or extra parts, etc. The process begins with a precise search to fetch potential matches, but that's just the start. Once these matches are identified, the system empowers the analyst to drill deeper, uncovering family relationships and connections within the data. These discoveries transform into a dynamic graph view where every node tells a story. Interestingly, PrimeMDM also supports compliance for AML during customer onboarding. Query an anti-money laundering database using only name and date of birth. With just these details, the system searches the global AML watchlist database and returns accurate matches with least false positives. The technology stack supports a wide range of relational and NoSQL databases, modern frameworks with API-first approach. Due to the use of advanced algorithm invented by POSIDX and trained on large data over 2 decades, PrimeMDM uses thin infrastructure database licenses and hardware, saving on the cost. There is a complete audit trail and logs once the data is ingested into the application. Experience power of PrimeMDM from POSIDX, trusted by 7 of 9 largest private sector banks of India, including world's 5th largest bank. POSIDX Technologies, made in India for the world.